Hi, it's Miss Grotz. I'm showing you all of the stuff to do for the week of April 13th to April 17th. In this video, I will be going over our goals for the week and how to access everything. So a real quick starting point is our Google Classroom. This is the code. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to add my Google Classroom. This is an L right here, not an I, so make sure you type an L in. Okay, so once you're on my Google Classroom page, there are a lot of directions. Everything that I say here is basically going to be what's typed here, so you can read it. In this order, I have numbers, and if you click on everything in the order that I say, so click on 1 first, this matches with this video that you're watching right now. Click on 2 next. This is how to use office hours. Click on 3, how to use Flipgrid, and just like that. So it's going to read down the whole way with what you should be doing. So I want you to follow those lists. I recommend that you watch the videos that I tell you to first because they will tell you how to do stuff. By the time you get to the thing you're supposed to do, it will be a lot easier. All right, so I'm going to jump ahead to this document right here. I clicked on Science Week of April 13th to April 17th. Now, our weekly objective is you will be able to describe the general trends of Earth's global average temperature and ice cover. So global average temperature is what is the temperature around the planet on average. So the entire temperature for every location. Is the trend going up? Is it going down? Is it staying the same? We're going to find out. You have 2 main things today, this week, that you'll be doing. One of them is Flipgrid. If you click on any of the things on this document that are underlined, it will take you there. I'm going to do the Flipgrid one while I'm on it, and that's going to take me here. When I get here, I need to log in with my KIP account. You must be using your KIP account to get in. I'm using mine. Yours is student at KIP SoCal, and then it's going to take us here. Great. So we just did one of these last week. This is a new one. Now I can go here to change topics. If I didn't do one for before we went to spring break, you can go back here, go ahead and just add one, and then I'll put you on there. These are what the Flipgrid videos look like when they're done. So you can be really creative. You can add filters. You can draw on them. There's some really cool things. I recommend coming here to check out what some students did last time. The ones with stars are ones where like you definitely want to steal some stuff because they did something really awesome. Over here now, we have the new Flipgrid assignment. So you're going to be a science influencer, and you're going to answer 2 questions. One, how is Earth climate changing? I want you to think of examples that you've seen. Maybe interview your family, ask your friends, try to see what people around you know. And I want you to tell me everything that you already know about it. And then another thing is that we're investigating why is the ice in the North and South Poles melting? So I want to know what you think is going on with that. You're going to press on this green button to add your video. When you're done, it will be private. I'm going to review it. Once it's appropriate and I approve it, then it will be public and everyone can watch it. All right, now I'm coming back over to this document because it has everything on it. Then I'm going to click on this link. This is my Earth's Changing Climate lesson, and look at this. It's going to take me back to Google Classroom. That means that I need to find the assignment on here. Now, I'm going to come back here. This says Earth's Changing Climate, Lesson 1.2 doc. Okay, I need to go find this. And I can see Earth's Changing Climate. All right, that's going to be this one right here. So we're going to click on this document. When you click on this, there are going to be a bunch of videos that are inside of it. When you click on the video, it will load one of these, and it's going to play it. These are the slides that go along with Amplify. There is going to be a teacher walking you through these and just kind of helping you through it. So as you go through, play the videos, and then there's a spot here where they're going to ask you to write your answer. You're going to do that. There's a link for you to click. Anytime you see a blue link here, you need to be clicking on these. Okay, so the first thing we clicked on the video, that's good. The second one, anticipation guide, they want us to fill out a Google form. All right, so this is what it's going to actually, I have a different one for you guys. Yours is going to look like this. You're going to get this form. Now, you do not get points if this is right or wrong, but you do get points for turning it in and doing it. So make sure to just boost your grade by completing this. It's real quick. There's like 6 or 7 questions, and it's just if you agree or disagree. So you'll finish that really fast. All right, cool, back to here. So there's more videos. You're gonna watch the videos, and then you're gonna type in the boxes. I'm gonna be grading your boxes, and then when you write your answers inside, then I get to add comments. So I'll say at whatever your name is, and then write some feedback about it. So I'll be tagging you in your comments so that you can see how you did on something. There's videos for each part. Make sure you click where it says this video because the videos are different. This video right here where it says watch this video goes with this section down here. It's going to help us figure out how to fill in this table and answer these questions right there. So we're reading all of this as we go through. All right. And then when you're done, you're going to hand this into me. When you hand this into me, I get to give you a grade for your work. All right, so we did that. I'm gonna come back, oh, so many documents. All right, I'm gonna come back over here now. Ooh, on this. This is what I need from you. I need the Flipgrid video and I need that assignment. Okay, I need you to attend one of my office hours at least. Office hours are from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And also, actually, let me update this, make that Monday. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 2 to 3 p.m. I'll have something posted if I have a meeting that comes up last minute, but for the most part, I will be at my office hours. All right, so this is a suggested schedule to go through things. I recommend that on Monday, you just practice logging into Flipgrid and looking at the document that I expect you to complete. This is the document that I'm talking about. So I recommend that you just look at those things. On Tuesday, I recommend that you go to my office hours. I'll be going through with students a lot of like how to do stuff. So if you have any questions, handing in work or anything like that, then just do that. All right. On Wednesday, I recommend that you do the Flipgrid assignment. It's pretty fast. You can do it in 5 minutes in one take, or you can redo it a few times. For Flipgrid, just an extra note. If you don't want me to turn it in, if you don't want me to make it public, write a comment when you submit it and just say, Miss Grotz, can you keep this private? And I absolutely will. It won't be public. All right. And then for Thursday, I recommend that you complete your packet. And by Friday, I recommend that you turn it in. All right. Here are the links to get to everything. You can click on these links. My YouTube channel has some how-to videos in case you're stuck on something or like have questions about previous work. The videos are still there. This is how to get to my Google Classroom to do your work, and these are my office hours. Click on this link and it will take you to the Google Meet that goes to my office hours at those times. My email is kgrotz@kipsocal.com. Please email me with any questions that you have. All right, bye!